What are you hitting your brakes for?
You should never give a dummy like that a license.
Oh, you got your wrong indicator on, buddy.
Continue for 4 kilometres.
You might want to put your right hand indicator on and not your left hand. Oh dear, we've got a little smash in front of us. Looks like it. Oh yes. New South Wales into a taxi. Oh, I wonder who was at fault. Ah dear. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. Possibly the taxi's at fault.
Smart ass motherfucker!
Oh, you fucking idiot. Yeah, really fucking good driving, mate. Oh, there's a fucking red light. Illegal U-turn. And another illegal U-turn. Fucking wake up.
Doctor, he's awake.
Where am I?
Oh, you finally come back. It's a miracle.
What a moron.
What the fuck are you doing? What the fuck are you doing?
But do you expect me to believe that you don't know left from right?
He's acting the same way as you.
Fucking hell, you dumb bitch.
I'm a wanker, 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 I'm a wanker. You're a yum or you're a wanker. Take your fucking choice. So who is your favorite genius? James Hurd or James Joyce? You ever seen a live performance? Join the wanker club. You thought I meant tabletop dancing? Well, you're a yabbo bub. What are you? You're a wanker. What are you? You're a wanker. Wankers once used mobile phones, but now that's sort of changing. And yobs once lived in cottage homes. Ain't social change amazing? If a yob and wanker want a girl, the wanker guy will get her. Both of them are equally ugly. The wanker hides it better. What are you? You're a wanker. What are you? You're a wanker. What are you? You're a wanker.
Make a left turn, then pick up on the right.
Oh, fuck off, you stupid prick.
Your whole life. Either way, it worked out fine. 'Cause you're an ass.
Yes, you're an A-S-S-H-O-L-E. And don't you try to blame it on me. You deserve all the credit. You're an asshole tonight. You were an asshole yesterday. You're an asshole tonight. And I've got a feeling you'll be an asshole the rest of your life.
One of us is in deep trouble.